As you can check out in front of you, Mr. Gogi's QR code added a visiting card or social media card. As you can check out, it has a Instagram QR code and this one is YouTube QR code. Yes, if you want to share with your nons or your friends or anyone QR code of your YouTube channel, that how you can get and from where you can get. In today's big video, we're gonna talk about that how to get QR code for your YouTube channel. Yes, you are listening right. If you want to get a QR code for your YouTube channel, then how we can get it? In this video today, we are going to tell you, first of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this, and don't forget to watch full video because I'm Gogi from How to Do It and we're gonna let you know everything in this video. For download QR code, what you have to do, first of all, you have to open the YouTube channel, and after that you have to go to the search bar, and over there you have to type the name of your channel, and after that click on this how to do your channel name, and after that you will find three dots over here. You have to click on these three dots, and after that you will see many options like this. From there you have to choose this share button, and after that you will find few options like this. From there you have to choose this QR code, and voila, this is the QR code you wanted to download or wanted to share with family and friends and others. This is the QR code you can share by just saving into camera roll, and the image is saved, and now easily you can get it into your gallery, and from there you can check out that QR code video. So that's the way how. Hope you understood that how you can download these type of QR codes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.